I want to show you how to factory reset a Sony Bravia smart TV. So first thing is go to your settings. You can hit the settings button on the remote, that little gear icon right there, or you can navigate to the TV, go to the home screen, press on the home button on the remote, and then once you're here, go to the gear icon for settings. Right there, quick settings, select that. Now from here, the all settings is already highlighted in white, so we're going to select that. Now from here on the left pane, we're going to go down to system right there, select system. Now we're going to go down one to about right there, select that. Now we're going to go down again, it says reset. There's factory reset, so let's select on reset there. Factory reset. So if you want to proceed, we're going to tap on factory reset, and it says this will restore your device to default settings and erase all data, accounts, files, and downloaded apps, so everything is going to be long gone. You want to continue, go to factory reset, let's select that, and then erase all personal information and downloaded apps on this device. You can't reverse this action, okay? So if you want to proceed, erase everything, then select that. And your TV is going to restart, so just give it a moment, and then you'll see this here, erasing. And voila, factory reset is complete. It's exactly like if we just took it out of the box. Pretty simple.